Oh, I think we're live. I can't see the screen too good in this direct sunlight. Hi, everybody. This is Mike from Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Enhancement here in a sunny Sharpsburg, Georgia. How y'all doing? Hey, got a new project in here. Kind of a nifty little car. It is I believe, a 2010, according to the door tag, Toyota Prius hybrid. Man, basically an electric car. My mechanic, who's just right up the street, called and asked me to restore the headlights on this thing. They're getting kind of bad. So I'll be working on that. Because I think he said replace them would cost her about $500. Holy moly. Yeah, welcome to the world of electric cars, folks. But he said this thing's got a couple 100,000 miles on it, and he said it hasn't given her any problems, no battery problems. I'm not sure why it's in the shop. Driving it from up there down to here, I suspect maybe it's because of brakes. I don't know, don't really care. But he said he's days and days behind, so he brought it down here for me to do the headlights, or I brought it down here. And I figured while I have it, as you can see, yeah, it's that time of year, plenty of pollen. Oh man, look at all that. Oh man, that roof is yellow. But it's hammered appearance wise. So I figured while I have it, wheels and tires are kind of grungy. This car hasn't been, I wouldn't say properly detailed in a long time. I really won't be able to see what kind of scratching it has until I get it clean, which I decided since I got it here, I got time, I would go ahead and do a quick strip wash on it. You know, so that when the lady picks up her car, I've not even met the lady, have never talked to her. Look at all that drizzle coming down from the door handles. Pretty common. It's under all four of them. I just figured I'd give it a quick strip wash. You know, not the total thing, but just kind of a quickie one to, I mean, I know it's going to sit around up there and the pollen's, some more pollen's going to fall on it, but at least it won't be as grungy as it was. So I just wanted to get on here right quick and show y'all guys this car. It's kind of cool. Yeah, I was driving it down to my house from up the street there. It's only about, I don't know, half a mile. But it's weird. When you, quote, crank it, the only way you can tell it's running is when these lights come on and tell you it's running. You can't hear it running. It's weird. But then by the time I got out of the parking lot and hit the road, the motor, the gas motor, kicked in, and I could tell then. But it's weird. It's weird. Oh man. Look at all that stuff down there. All them bugs and stuff. I'll try to get rid of those for her. Then I'll be taping off. I'll use a degreaser on them headlights. Then I'll clay bar them right quick, and then I'll wet sand them probably with a couple different grits, and then compound and polish them, and then put a coating on there for her. Try to make these headlights look close to new again, if not as new as new. Go away, B. I just wanted to show you guys that right quick. I almost forgot to do the video because I had just finished this wheel and tire. Yeah, you can imagine. I mean, it was covered with stuff. There's some damage to the finish on that wheel that cannot be detailed away. I'll put a coating on the tires and probably some quick wipe on sealant or something on the wheels for her. Just to spiff it up a little bit so that when she comes to pick it up, it'll look way better than it does now. This is just going to be a quick one, folks. Not going to be an in-depth one because I'm not getting paid for that, but hey, I figured why not. I appreciate y'all dropping by. Thank you very much. Don't forget, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, and all that stuff. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I'm not sure what that tag means. Some kind of number, who knows? There's the VIN down there. I don't know. Don't know, it don't matter. Anyway, I'm gonna get started. I'm just gonna quick clean this thing up right fast, y'all. I'll catch y'all later. Thank you so much. Bye now.